Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGeliosShow. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I'm going to be sharing with you 10 home renovation projects that do not add value to a home. There are home renovation projects that may seem like they would add value, however, they don't. And so I put together some things here for you. So the first one is a bedroom to closet renovation. The number of bedrooms your home has is one of the main factors that determines your home's value. It's better to have a bedroom with a smaller closet than to create a large walk-in closet that takes away from the space of a neighboring bedroom. So if you go ahead and you want to increase the size of your walk-in closet, but it takes away square footage from another bedroom that's next to it, then what happens is you're actually hurting your value. So you don't want to do that. Instead, you should just find storage solutions for small closets, tubs, special closet organization system, things like that. Number 2, high-end fixtures. You would think that high-end fixtures would add value to a home. Yes, they appeal to home buyers and they may help get you more offers or get buyers off the fence because they think your home is beautiful, but does it add value? No. Although they may upgrade the look of a home, right, high-end fixtures, replacing your current fixtures with expensive high-end alternatives is a home improvement that doesn't add value. Instead, you should install fixtures that are affordable and high quality. Install them because you want to and because it makes the area more appealing. Number 3, a sunroom addition. Sunrooms do not add value at all. They're a waste of money unless you are actually enjoying it for yourself for years to come. Sunrooms are tricky because some home buyers love them while others find them unnecessary. Starting home renovations as large as enclosing your patio or deck to create a sunroom can be very expensive. I've heard of sunrooms costing, 20-30 grand, which is crazy. So since a sunroom will likely not be included in the final square footage of your home, there's no guarantee that adding a sunroom to your home will increase its value. Instead, spruce up your deck, spruce up your patio, especially if you're thinking of selling, increase your curb appeal, all right, which, by the way, in my opinion, curb appeal involves going all the way around the house, because if someone pulls up and they see, overgrown weeds and lawn in the backyard, and just chances are they won't even go in. Many times home buyers will look at the outside of the home first before they enter the home. I've had that happen with a lot of buyers. Number 4, bold paint colors. So if your walls need repainting, it may be tempting to start home renovations by creating a statement, right? By using bold paint colors on your walls, geometric patterns, bold colors to make your home stand out. But unfortunately, not everyone feels that way. And home buyers especially won't feel that way. They won't share your same sentiment. So many homeowners are looking for move-in ready homes. Many home buyers are as well, and having to repaint a wall may turn them away. Instead, repaint walls and stick to neutral colors. Neutral colors, 1, make a home look bigger, and 2, it appeals to more people. So if you're looking to sell your home and add value, use neutral paint colors. Number 5, standing showers. I was kind of surprised by this one because a standing shower is a huge appeal, but does it add value? No. That's what we're talking about in this episode, is what does not add value. If you're looking to start a home renovation that will modernize the bathroom in your home, the first thought that might cross your mind is to upgrade your shower tubs to standing showers. While this does provide a sleek look, it's another example of home improvements that do not add value. I've said this in past videos about how a home should have at least 1 bathtub. Don't replace all your bathtubs with standing showers. That can actually hurt. So instead, upgrade to some, but again, at least keep 1 bathtub. That way you don't hurt your value and hurt the chances of home buyers coming by. Number 6, trendy designs. So many homes are incorporating bold wallpaper, intricate tile, mid-century furniture, and you may be tempted to add these trendy features to your home, right? To appeal to potential buyers, but with any other trend, they tend to come in and they go away. So the word trend should not be in place in terms of real estate. You should always have things that will last that will stand the test of time. You don't want to do something trendy and then it goes away, and then now buyers are looking at your home thinking, this is outdated. Okay, like the color gray, by the way, is going out, or should be used as common as everybody was using gray paint, gray fixtures, gray sheets, gray this, gray that. I like gray, but it's, doesn't increase value. So if your home stays on the market long enough for the trend to go out of style, these features might make your home look outdated. I just mentioned that, right? Of course. Instead, stick to timeless and neutral features. Neutral is the key word, right, in these things. Interior design trends are always changing, but there's a few staples that would never go out of style. Neutral colors, solid color tile, simple decor can actually appeal to many buyers. Number 7, specialized high-end kitchen appliances. Costly home renovations like replacing outdated appliances with state-of-the-art appliances may make your kitchen look great, but you'll likely not get a good return on your investment, especially if you're in an area that's not considered luxury. If you're not in an area of, mansions, like don't put, a $10,000 fridge in a $400,000 house unless the area commands it. You're spending too much, and the buyers in that area aren't going to pay more. They're just not. So, okay. Some potential buyers may appreciate the appliances, but it's probably not going to increase the home resale value by much. Instead, upgrade your kitchen by repainting cabinets or installing budget-friendly fixtures, right? Fixtures that are budget-friendly. Repainting your cabinets is awesome. I've actually done this in my current home, and what a difference. You don't spend a whole lot. You just use your time, or if you hire someone, you're paying them. But it's so cool because it really transforms your kitchen. I kid you not. We had dark, red, ugly cabinets when we moved into this home, and I repainted them white, a nice gloss white. I forget what the exact white was called because there's multiple white colors in paint, especially for cabinets. But we did a nice white, and we bought black handles and hinges, and I changed all that out, and what a difference. It brightened up the room, and it's neutral. So number 8, a new front door. Now, a new front door, this one kind of surprised me, but a new front door doesn't add value. It adds curb appeal, it appeals to buyers and things like that if it's a nice neutral front door. However, it doesn't add value. We're talking about, again, adding value to a home. There are many other ways to make a great first impression with your entryway besides replacing your front door. So what do you do instead of replacing the front door? You repaint it. You add plants to your porch. You add colorful plants, flowers, lay out a welcome mat, a nice inviting welcome mat. If your front door needs some TLC, save money again by painting it. Number 9, wall-to-wall carpeting. Too much carpeting is a turn-off, especially if it's worn, and home buyers are weird when a house has too much carpeting. If your home has carpets that need replacing, it may not be the best option to replace the area with new carpet. Believe it or not, many homeowners are looking for homes with hardwood floors. Hardwood floors are the number 1 floor choice. They just are. Real hardwood floors, number 1 floor choice. And you don't want to spend money installing brand new carpet just to hear potential buyers say they would prefer a home with hardwood throughout. So consider installing hardwood floor, or if you have to do carpet, because of the budget, right? Carpet's a lot less money than hardwood floor. Go with neutral carpet. Go with like a investor special, they call it, right? Just get cheap carpet to throw in there. Neutral colors though. And number 10, a new roof or HVAC system, heating and cooling, does not add value to a home. All these things that I'm mentioning, by the way, my little side note here is that these things, they don't add value, but they add appeal to home buyers, which could get you multiple offers, but it doesn't physically add value. And that's what we're talking about today, is adding value to a home. Things that don't add value to a home. So a new roof or HVAC system doesn't add value to a home. You would think a roof would. Large home features like your heating and cooling system and roof should only be replaced when there's a problem that needs to be addressed. Don't replace these things if you're thinking of selling your home. Don't bother. You won't get your money back. Home improvement projects like these are costly and time consuming. If they're not damaged or broken, there's no need to replace your heating and cooling system to the newest, most efficient service. It doesn't make sense to. Don't, because you're gonna spend the money. You're gonna spend thousands of dollars, and if you're getting a roof, it's gonna be tens of thousands of dollars. You're not gonna see that increase your value. You're just not. If it needs to be repaired or if it's damaged, that's a different story. Get it fixed. But don't just replace these things thinking that you're gonna get more money for your home, because you won't. So I hope you found these projects, these tips helpful. I invite you to follow me on social media. Those links are in the description. And go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me what you thought about this episode. Otherwise, I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching.